Hello everyone, my name is TDK and today I'm celebrating Quebec Day, aka Quebec's National Day. First of all, McDonald's offered me something perfect to celebrate Quebec's National Day. So it is the chicken nacho poutine. Yes, in this dish, it has a fries, gravy sauce, cheese curds, nacho cheese sauce, tortilla chips, strips, and chicken. So it looks very good. So I'm so excited to taste it. So let's give it a try. It is very good. And this is very crispy. I really like it. I will give it a 9 out of 10 for this dish. So thanks for watching and happy Quebec's National Day.